By 2030, 80% of people will lose their traditional jobs. But one profession will survive, and it's not what you think. Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that your job no longer exists. The emails have stopped, your work portal is locked, and a message appears saying, "Your position has been automated." It sounds unreal, but it's already happening quietly every single day. Across the world, AI is transforming how businesses operate. According to McKinsey Global Institute, by 2030, up to 800 million workers could be replaced by automation. That means 1 in every 5 people you know could lose their job to a machine. And this isn't about robots building cars anymore. It's about AI systems that can think, write, design, and even make decisions. We used to believe machines could only handle repetitive tasks like assembling parts or sorting packages. But today, AI can create marketing campaigns, write books, code software, and diagnose diseases faster than human doctors. ChatGPT can generate ideas in seconds that once took teams days to brainstorm. Midjourney and DALL-E can design visuals that artists would spend hours perfecting. And now, robots like Tesla's Optimus can walk, lift, and perform basic human tasks. The question is no longer if AI will take over, but when. This is the world we built, the one where convenience slowly made humans optional. We wanted help, but we created competition. Every invention meant to make our lives easier slowly started to replace the need for us. Cashiers vanished as self-checkout kiosks appeared. Taxi drivers lost rides to self-driving cars. Writers, designers, and editors are already competing with algorithms that never sleep, never get tired, and never ask for a salary. For decades, humans found pride in their work. A teacher shaped minds, a builder shaped skylines, a musician touched hearts. Work gave us identity, purpose, and connection. But what happens when the work that once defined us disappears? What happens when intelligence is no longer our greatest advantage? The emotional conflict is real. On one side, AI promises freedom, a future where machines handle our boring, repetitive jobs so we can focus on creativity and growth. On the other hand, it threatens everything we've built. Imagine a young graduate spending years earning a degree, only to realize that an algorithm now does that same job faster, cheaper, and better. The comfort of progress is slowly turning into the fear of replacement. The Industrial Revolution took decades. The AI revolution is unfolding in months. So where does that leave us? If AI can think, write, and even feel patterns of emotion, what is left for us to do? The answer lies not in competing with AI, but in understanding what it cannot replace. Machines can replicate intelligence, but they cannot replicate meaning. The last job on Earth won't be about doing repetitive tasks or managing data. It will be about giving direction, purpose, and emotion to a world run by intelligence. It will belong to creators, thinkers, teachers, and dreamers who understand the human side of innovation. Because AI can draw, but it doesn't know why sunsets are beautiful. It can compose music, but it doesn't know why it makes us cry. It can write words, but it doesn't know the weight they carry. Only humans can assign meaning to the things we create. This is the shift that's coming. Not the end of work, but the birth of new kinds of work. We're already seeing new roles appear, like prompt engineers who train AI to respond creatively, ethicists who ensure machines make fair decisions, and AI trainers who feed data responsibly. These jobs didn't exist 5 years ago, and in the next 5, there will be thousands more. The future belongs to people who can combine human emotion with machine intelligence. Think of it this way: when machines handle the how, humans finally get to focus on the why. In the industrial age, our value came from labor. In the information age, it came from knowledge. But in the age of AI, our value will come from wisdom, the ability to guide technology toward a meaningful purpose. We will no longer just build systems, we'll shape the morals that guide them. Instead of asking, will AI take my job? The question now is, how can I work with AI to stay ahead? The people who learn to use AI as a partner will rise, while those who ignore it might get left behind. This is not a race against technology, it's a partnership with it. And as strange as it sounds, the more intelligent machines become, the more human qualities will matter. Imagination, ethics, emotion, and creativity will define the next era. These are things no algorithm can authentically replicate. So when people say AI will replace everything, they're partly right. It will replace everything that doesn't need a human touch. But for everything that does, it will only make us more powerful. If AI replaces our work, maybe it's time we upgrade our purpose. The last job on Earth is not to fight against technology, it's to lead it, guide it, and give it meaning. Because in the end, intelligence may belong to machines, but purpose will always belong to us.